Guys, black 600, 560. Blue. What's up?
I got you now. What's
And who's sir? Who's it on? Yeah. Guys. Regular? Regular? Okay, regular. Regular.
Green.
Go get her. Come on, come on.
I'm good. So it's hurting him still a little bit, or? Oh, that's hey. Hey, hey, hey. Keep it clean, ladies. All right, we don't need that kind of talk. It's the family football league.
Public consumption. That doesn't go on the web, right? Or you're selling something we don't know.
Hey, it's Touch Football Ontario, family website. All right.
I want my bike. Rob, that's your fault. You want that? Come on, KG. 21. Nobody will take it. Knock this on my man. Knock this on my man. No. Right now, yeah. Come on, baby, come on. Finish this game strong, you freaking dirty birds.
Oh, get you in the sun. Look at his
you in this thing.
He might be afraid to look at you. Awesome. I'll get a shot of it. Let me get a still shot.
Pops, look at the camera, buddy.
There you go. 1, 2.
Smile. Say hi.
1, 2. Say, Daddy, you scare me.
You scare me, Daddy. It smells like hamburgers.
Came here, and then smart guys here. Oh, sorry, there we are. Hope you don't mind. That was going around that it was almost done, but I'm glad. I was talking to Bruce there, and he said you guys.
It's hurting for getting young guys.
Well, I told it. Yeah, I was saying you got to get the freak. I don't know.
You're playing, right?
What do you got to say about Kingston?
Oh, what'd you say about Kingston?
I'm asking you what you got to say about Kingston. What's the official word? It's on record now, buddy.
Awesome.
Now I can go on YouTube. I actually have room for all this stuff.
You can warm me up.
Yes, we do.
I love touch.
You like to touch? What?
Who are you throwing for? Quick, answer.
I'm not sure of our name yet. Just some guys I play fall with, so it'll be a lot of fun. We got some good guys and some old guys. No, just filming and being a lackey.
Nice decision. Straight up, Ham. Stop throwing it.
Down to 2 good tensors. Keep me together.
Pick it up! It's not going anywhere!